Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make organic jaggery. Begin by choosing fresh sugarcane, washing it, and extracting juice with a press or grinder immediately to avoid fermentation. Clarify the juice using natural clarifying agents like lime or ash and skim away, scum gently. Maintain a clean workspace and use stainless steel or earthenware to prevent contamination. Consistency and patience during boiling will determine color and flavor, so monitor heat and remove impurities as needed. Once juice is extracted, add a small amount of edible lime or wood ash to settle impurities and make clarification easier. Heat gently while stirring and allow solids to sink, then skim off foam with a ladle for a clear syrup. Filter the clarified liquid through a fine muslin cloth to catch any remaining particles. Cleanliness during this stage ensures a bright, clean-flavored jaggery with minimal off-tastes or dark specks. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make storing jaggery mess-free and keep flavor locked in, which is perfect after you mold and cut your pieces. They stack neatly for small batches and prevent pests or moisture from ruining your batch. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Reduce the clarified juice by boiling on low to medium heat and stir occasionally to prevent scorching and uneven caramelization. Test readiness by dropping a small amount into cold water. When it forms a soft ball but is not too brittle, it's ready for molding. Skim any last impurities, pour into greased molds or shallow trays, and cover to cool slowly for uniform texture. Once set, cut and store in airtight jars to retain moisture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.